Hello, everybody. My name is Anna Wynn. I am the president at IDEX Materials Processing Technologies, or MPT. Today, it is my pleasure to introduce you to Quadro's new mill, the G96 Food Mill. It's designed for gentle milling of high-value food ingredients. This new mill has been created with direct input and feedback from our customers, and it is just the first development in our evolving range of specialized food-centric products. Now, here are a few of our team members to tell you more about it and get you some of the details.
We took a close look at the great milling systems we make today for a range of customers and uses, and we realized in listening to your feedback that specialist foodstuffs have some really specific needs. In particular, gentle handling of special high-value materials is essential to avoid waste and degradation. The G96 Food Mill enables heat-sensitive materials to be processed with care. An example where this works well would be working with materials likely to generate oils when the temperature is raised. Chocolate bar recovery is a really good example there. Another fantastic example where gentle milling is needed would be in the deagglomeration of fruits into individual pieces without actually size reducing the pieces themselves. One thing we heard many times from customers was in relation to the area of safety. So taking that on board, we have crafted a mill that incorporates a range of safety features out of the box.
In addition to the wide variety of applications that can be processed, the G96 Food Mill has been re-engineered to be a cost-efficient and readily available option for the industry without compromising on the core technology of the Quadro Comil. If you are a current user of Quadro 196 mills, you will be able to utilize your existing screens and impellers and expect the same results that you are accustomed to. If you are new to Quadro, you can be confident that the G96 Food Mill will be a safe, flexible, and efficient solution backed by your decades of experience with processing high-value food materials. Here in Ontario, we have been designing and building Quadro Co-mills for the food industry for nearly 50 years. They are built to last and to give confidence in safety, durability, and ease of use. The same goes for the wide range of consumables that we have that work alongside of our mills. We are also here to help you optimize your process with the G96 Food Mill through the right screen and impeller selection for the materials that you intend to process.
We are extremely proud to bring this customer-focused mill to the market, and we look forward to speaking with you soon and getting your feedback. Thanks, and have a really wonderful day.